We in a commercial. This is just wild. I'm having a good time. Hey guys, it's your girl Pound Cake, and we are back. Today is day 5 here in Thailand, and I'm on my way to a cooking class, an authentic Thai cooking class. I'm excited. I'm gonna see how they prepare their dishes here, and of course you guys are coming with me. Right now I'm waiting for the shuttle. The shuttle that's taking me to the class is already in the front, but I have to get picked up because my building is in the back. But the little shuttle's coming right now to take me down. Yeah, y'all, and we're on our way right now. Ooh, hold on, y'all. Ooh. Okay. So, I'm on the shuttle to go down to my shuttle for my class. Yeah, it's warm out here per usual, real humid. I wasn't gonna put oil. My friend was like, don't wear oil out there because that's how I keep getting bit by the mosquitoes. But when I don't put on lotion, y'all, I be actually like, I don't know anybody out here, but my skin be giving crocodile, so that's why I be putting my little baby oil on. But hopefully it absorbs by the time I'm outside. I should be mostly indoors today, but of course we're gonna see. I'm putting on my mask on. Make sure I got my wallet. I do. Passport. Those are the things you need when you out here. Shit. But yeah, y'all. So I'll get with y'all in a moment. Bye.
Tong Kai chicken in coconut milk soup.
Oh.
Yeah. And for you, you will select your thing. Yeah.
Okay. This is cool.
Yeah.
This is you? Are you Pum?
Yes.
Oh, hey Pum. Okay.
Are you judged from MasterChef?
No. I don't want to join anything. My job is a little bit like.
Okay, what do I pick?
You do. You know which one that you like already or not? You know.
I like Phad Thai.
Yeah, you can do Phad Thai. What meat that your Phad Thai thing? Chicken, prawns, beef, pork, squid. I think Phad Thai should be prawns. Or you don't
Okay,
eat.
prawns.
Yeah, it's
Can't see me.
Okay, first
so excited.
of all, you are here first time in Thailand?
Yes, ma'am.
I've been here.
Your nose here and bounce to your heart again.
So what's this? What does this mean?
The above us, like something like the nun, the monks, the priest, the prime minister.
Oh, so you like this
Yeah,
to him?
and bounce to the heart, this heart.
Like regular
yeah.
people?
Yeah, back there. And then when you are going to see the royal family, tradition, royal family will touch here, and then here and lay cloth onto the floor. But you couldn't see them, yeah, from that period. And of course this century, yes, you lay down like that until they call. But nowadays, I think everybody very tired calling there, so that, yeah, you can face them. But actually we don't, we just stay like
I'm not a cheater.
Yeah.
I promise.
Please don't.
So let's see.
I think the letters are wrong.
There, some of them are messed up. Yeah.
The first one's salad.
No, that's right. But yeah, it's crab salad. Sorry. So. Wait, what? For the third one, right?
Liquid.
It's messed up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought I was tripping.
I think it's chili. Something. See.
I know the chili sauce. Kathu ba? Nan mo. So. Some noodles. I think noodles. Noodles. No.
Alright, Pum, I'm having problems.
Yes, that one, right? I don't tell you.
No. This one. Because, right, so Kathu, we have this, right? Right?
Yeah.
But Nam is this, right?
Yes, but you need to be imagination a bit. If you imagination, you may pass. Think what it should work like that. If it too easy, you get 5 points.
Because
You
I
imagine.
this part, I feel like I
Yeah,
have
this
right.
one correct, and the other one in the center something. Yeah. Think what it should be. Think.
This is my partner. Say hi.
Hello.
He's from New Zealand, y'all. He's in my class too. We partners.
Partners in crime.
Partners. This is so cool.
I don't know.
Okay.
First,
See.
okay, 1 star, 2 star, chili sauce. Okay, 3 star.
Was that?
4 star. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay.
5 star.
Be wrong. I could be wrong.
You could be wrong, right? Come here,
I'm
please.
excited.
May I see? Okay.
Pass my test. 5 out of 5. Yay me.
This one sour, right?
Soup.
R or P? Dominic, you see?
I'll double
the
check it.
R or the P?
Let me look.
I meant to put.
Let me put.
The P, right?
Oh, that's a.
It's a P or the O. You help
It's
your
a P.
classmate.
Teamwork. Teamwork. We have to work together.
Okay. Lemon or lime, we are explained already that lemon we cannot grow lemon very well. Lemon is extremely crazy expensive.
But doesn't lime turn into lemon or no?
I don't think so.
I always thought it like would start off green and turn yellow.
Chubby drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, niggas came up on this.
Ready to cook? Are you hungry? A little bit.
I'm good. I haven't eaten. But,
Oh, yeah.
I like to cook.
Yeah. But you didn't have breakfast.
Thank you.
That is good. You don't need because you have so much.
Yeah, I have breakfast every day, and I was like, you know what?
Sometimes you don't.
Yeah. I eat it twice a day. That's my thing.
Oh wow, really?
I just like to control it. I don't eat too much. You know.
Yeah.
I just eat when I'm satisfied.
Yeah, perfect.
I'm not the same, man, and I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
That's how we would do it back at
Yeah.
home.
So that and after all, right, when it turn white and pink coming up, so that you will start having this one Chinese spoon fat, huh? Okay, you add, yeah, and you stir. This is called marinating, very fresh one, okay? So the grandma would, yeah, okay. And after that, you add the water to make the broth. Okay, add now water, okay. So, and you mix them. And after that, you will do high heat 1000. Okay, you mix them well. Yeah, okay. Lovely
Now
smell. Yep.
When I'm in bed and sick, this is my medicine.
Oh, very perfect. Okay, very perfect. Yeah, okay.
No more drugs.
Yeah, okay, yeah, okay. And then next, yeah, you just stop and you see the bubbling will come. And then here you are. Oh, now your turn.
My turn?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You will do Phad Thai gung, alright? So come here.
Alright, let me switch.
Okay. Wow, wow, well done. Tong Thai. Excellent. 2 dishes.
Alright, y'all. This is what I made.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you try. Yeah, you enjoy your meal.
You want to try this too? Get some.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Yeah,
For sure.
Okay, so that I can help.
Hope it's not too spicy because I didn't want to come in.
It's all good. I'm sure it's delicious.
done the recipe.
I'm sure it's to die for. Yeah, I thought the Pad Thai is like kind of stuff on there. Like, dark.
I think the traditional way.
Yeah, she was saying. I'm gonna show something else if I knew. Alright, I'm doing up the tea. Rather people
I think I overloaded on the sweetness with Bangla. I saw the sweetness, but look off. The chili is a little bit.
Okay. You made a boat, right?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, this is really good. We killed it. Yeah, he aced those soups. They're really good.
No, thank you. Your noodle was good.
Thanks.
And the eggs as well.
Yeah, this is a dope experience.
I thought you were going to do like scrambled eggs when I saw you.
That's what I was trying to do. She's like, no. Are you getting carried away? Stop. I'm like, sorry.
So that P2G will help because P2G is very strong.
Okay.
So that you can add everything like the measurement that we are talking about, okay?
Yep.
This one is the Thai sweet basil, okay? And the chili one, and the salt.
I want to put it in.
Yeah, put everything in. Yeah, you can help. Yeah, okay, everything in. Okay, everything in. Yeah.
Go ahead. You had last one.
Yeah. Okay.
Go ahead, Jason. Put in the shallots.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Okay. And now P2G.
Oh, he's gonna do it.
Yeah, he's very good. He's doing good.
Can we try first?
Yeah, he will show you first. Yeah. Okay.
Show you
How do I use the blender?
Yeah.
You can do
On the shoulder
Yeah. And then you use the another hand,
to hold it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably something fed to the eyes. 45 degrees, right?
Okay.
Increase it a bit.
He said it's in the shoulders. It smells good.
Then walk, so, exercise and smile. Exercise.
It smells so good.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
How come the
Okay.
peppers aren't doing it? Oh.
You need to pound like this. Okay. Have a sound.
Because everything is mashing up except for this.
Okay. Okay. Now we do stronger. 3, 2, 1. Exercise and smiling. Exercise and dancing. Yeah. Okay, one more to go. Pop, pop, pop. Exercise and smiling. Pop, pop, pop. Exercise and dancing. Yeah. Okay, you can tell. You can do. Yes, better. Pop, pop, pop. Exercise and smiling. Pop, pop, pop. Exercise and dancing.
Okay.
Yes, remember? Oh, smart. Wow, my student
That's how you
love
make
it.
guacamole.
Nice. Nice smell. It smells.
Oh, it's welcome.
That's how you make guacamole.
You like spicy more like this one. One is food that is more spicy.
Oh, that's fine.
If you
matter.
can be spicy, then it's fine.
I mean,
So you can keep in the refrigerator 1 month.
5 also. You are doing red curry. Okay. So, Penang
I'm doing red curry.
Yeah. Yeah, Penang curry. Okay. And now, how spicy?
What should I put it on?
300 minus 300. Okay, 5 times. Huh?
Spicy, but not too spicy.
Oh, medium. Okay, like that. Okay, and gently. Yeah. Jason,
Chicken.
how
How many?
spicy? I think you are not
Is
baby.
this spicy?
A little bit. Okay, 1 teaspoon. Yeah, yeah, okay. Go, yeah, okay. Enough.
What was my nose is opening now?
Because he wants a little bit, yeah. And now, okay, perfect. Like you are so
professional.
Yes, very professional. I don't need to tell.
Alright.
Yeah. Now you add chicken, and then you add the coconut piece, same as your coconut. Yeah.
Mine might be too spicy. Ooh.
No. Oh. And 2 fish sauce. Look at
Jason,
him.
you killing us.
No, I did him from him. It's from him. Yeah.
Ooh, coconut milk.
Yeah.
And 2 fish sauce.
Yeah. 2 fish.
Sorry, I didn't mean to kill you.
Oh, I don't like carrots.
And you do 1 tiny spoon of
Okay, no carrots for me.
not. Oh, no carrot. Okay. Yeah.
Give it to Jason.
And 1 sugar piece.
Okay. Sorry, I don't like it.
Yeah. Don't worry. And you are okay.
Yep.
These 2.
Yep, 2.
Okay. This one only 1.
Yeah, 1.
Okay, 1. Yeah.
It's all more, right?
No, you don't need. And you have 1, right?
Yes.
And this is 2. Okay. Yeah. And now we add 1,000 for you. And add water. Put on.
1 and 2.
2. Okay. Excellent.
Drop.
Yeah. And you like to be.
Try to let.
Yeah. For good luck. Oh, lovely. Okay, you take 100
Let me
please.
do. Oh.
1,000. Yeah. Okay, and you do the beans. Can be aubergine, can be eggplant, can be cauliflower, can be anything. But this is our Thai.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, you can put 1.
Put this in there?
Yeah, please. And then add the veggie. Yeah. Okay. Excellent. Yeah. Okay, and you add vegetable oil.
Add vegetable oil?
Not yet. When you finish, you add vegetable first. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and now you see bubbling. Can you see? Yeah, you wait for bubbling. Okay. Yeah, bubble, and you stop the heat. Please stop the heat, and then pour your curry into the bowl.
Yours is not green though.
Yeah, you are, because you already a little bit red. Yeah. Okay. So that we don't put the color. Yeah. So it means it's very natural by itself. So yeah, you're done, and you garnish with your lime leaf, cafe lime leaf. Okay. And you're bubbling already. Yeah.
So turn it off?
Yeah. If not, the chicken is too dry. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and you lift up your pot and you pour your curry. Remember that Thai curry is always you
I'm just
pour.
playing, I'm just playing.
Oh, very good. Oh, you are lovely. So that for the Thai curry is always juicy and very liquid. All right.
Okay.
And you add the garnishing with the leaves and chili oil. Yeah, just leave it here. Okay. Yeah. And then 2 of that for garnishing, like Jason.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then a little bit of chili oil for beauty. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Wow. See, red curry with chicken. Green curry with chicken. Okay. Eating again. The second set. Yeah.
We out here killing it at the cooking class. Thank you. Jason's killing it. He killed that curry last time. I'm gonna try it again. Ooh. Thank you. Beautiful. Yes, please. This is my soup. This is Jason's soup. Looks delicious. Go ahead.
And my
Sorry.
rice.
Yes, please. Thank you. Choke. We was choking over
I
there.
was cooking.
I was like,
I was holding off.
all right, let's see. Let's see how you did, kid. Oh yes, yours is really sweet. It's like a sweet heat. So I taste the heat, And I also taste
Sweetness.
the sweetness. Yeah. It's good.
That's good. I'm gonna have a running nose because of this. But it's nice.
So we're about to go exercise, y'all. They playing with us. It is hot.
Yeah, very hot in it. But
I'm going back downstairs.
but because the people downstairs, I cannot open the condition.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah, and
We're in culinary school. There's a whole culinary school here, y'all.
yes.
Poom, culinary school. Yeah. What's your name?
Nana.
Nana.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh oh, this is a surprise.
Yes, surprise more. And
Is it raining?
yes. It's not hot.
Is there an elevator to get down?
And school cooking the private.
Fine. Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
People cooking with the iPad.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Wow, Sydney, you can come.
This is so beautiful.
Yes.
And there's air up here. Wow.
Yes.
This is dope.
Very, very posh.
Plum got money.
Yes. And cooking in the room private and can take food out, eating area here. I have the music a little bit.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, party's here, right?
Yeah.
Party here and
Plum got all the money.
It's raining, is it?
no raining.
She rich.
About the waterfall.
Yes, beautiful.
Yes, waterfall.
I love this kind of stuff. Wow. This is where we should have ate our food, up here.
Yeah.
If
And
you were in Thailand, come to Poom. This is so much fun. They are so nice here. It's the bomb.
Am I going to be in your channel?
Yeah. I mean, we're friends now on Instagram, so I'm gonna send you all the details. Y'all, this is the bomb.
Okay, I do you.
She got her stuff branded, y'all. Fire boots, my girl. Details will be in the description box below.
Okay, น้ำพริกเผาผัดน้ำพริกเผา Dominic is going to try. Okay, we team up. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go. How is it?
It's good.
Oh, yummy!
That's really good.
You're ready to cook at home? Oh!
And it's so quick.
Yeah, don't overcook. If you cook too long, it won't be like that. Yeah, you enjoy. Yes, happy. happy. น้ำพริกเผา Yeah อร่อยนะคะ อร่อยไหม Yes, happy.
Thank you. Y'all look at my little dish I made. The jealousy. Killing it. Yeah, I'll be back. Ooh, y'all picking my wheels up. Got me some little Power Ranger wheels, you feel me? You're like me. Ooh, child. All right, y'all, so I am back at my room. Yeah, I'm back at my room. I'm chilling. I've been back for a little bit. I'm just chilling out right now. Yeah, I had a really good time at that cooking class, you guys. Like I said, every time I do something or go somewhere, the people here are so freaking nice, appreciative, humble. Like, this shit is crazy. But yeah, so I'm back. I'm about to chill out. The guy that I met in the class, Jason, he and I are actually gonna go hang out later on because he's also here by himself and he wants to take me out for drinks for my birthday. So we're gonna go to the beach and get a bucket. I won't be taking a taxi. I'm gonna be using my scooter, y'all. Y'all see me. Call me biker girls. What we doing? Let me be a rare breed. Put me in a motorcycle club because that's what I do now. I'm a motorcyclist, you feel me? But yeah, I'm about to just chill out, probably edit a video. I'm not full because I did go ahead and eat 3 times when I was in my cooking class. So I'm full. I'm chilling right now though. I'm vibing out. And yeah, I just want to touch bases with you guys, let you know what I'm doing as of now, which is pretty much nothing. I might record this video I was talking about. I was telling you guys I might do that. Yeah, I think I might do that in the meantime, in between time. But yeah, as of now I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna get in the hot tub later though, so I'm gonna fill that hoe up later on tonight. I don't know, cause I might have a short time we're coming back from the beach. Or I'm not gonna say what time we coming back, what time I'm coming back, because it's not anything like that. Like, it's platonic, you know, but he's really nice and he won't take me out for my birthday for drinks, so, and I'm gonna accept. So, but yeah, I think I'm gonna chill. I might also look for something to do tomorrow, like an excursion. I know I have to go take my my test tomorrow, and then while I'm out I might figure something else out to do. Yeah, but I'll check in with y'all in a little bit after I do whatever it is I decide I'm going to do. So, peace. All right, y'all. What's poppin'? Just got done editing a video. I'm chilling, about to get ready to go down to the beach and hang out with my friend from cooking class. Oh yeah, I emptied out the jacuzzi. I'm gonna fill it back up when I come back. Yeah, we're about to go meet up at the beach, have some beverages, and I'm about to chill and walk around. I have to stop and get some more cash before doing so. So I might be doing that right now and head over there a little early. According to GPS, it says it's about 8 minutes from where I am. So I'm about to hop on my little scooter, y'all. I'm about to hop on my little scooter, and go there. So wish me luck. Pray I don't crash. And I'm about to go down there anyway because I want to find out how to turn the lights on and a few other little mechanisms I want to learn how to do. So let's go do that. All right, so I'm about to head to my little whip. No Nanai. Here she go, y'all. That's my baby girl. That's Blue Ranger. And we're about to get ready to meet up with my friend, but I'm about to stop downstairs really quick and meet up with my the guy I got the bike from, so he can teach me these things. So I get what you're trying to say. Y'all, my camera is killing me. Alright, so I made it down to the beach. I'm at Patong Beach. Right here in front of the Phuket sign. I'm supposed to be meeting my friend down here. So, let's see. Alright. Look, y'all. We got the Phuket sign, baby. Phuket. Yeah, Phuket. Hold on, I'm sweating. It's hot. It's super hot out here, like humid. That's probably why y'all can't see me, but the Phuket sign is behind me. Phuket. Phuket. There's some more little things I'm gonna go look. What is this? Ooh, satay?
Hello.
Hi. How much for the satay?
This?
Yeah.
20 baht.
How much?
20.
20?
Yeah,
20?
20. Yeah.
20?
Yeah, 20.
Okay, can I have one? You want one?
This chicken, beef, pork, mushroom, bacon.
I got satay. It's the 5 loaves for me.
Buckets, whatever they put on top of it, they pay up for it. I go and bargain as much as they can.
ฟิลิปปินส์นะเมื่อกี้ฟิลิปปินส์แท้ๆกูขอดูไทยพัฒน์ฟิลิปปินส์แท้ๆ
Oh.
Territory.
Yeah. Wow. I really want to get a tattoo. US?
US. Oh, cool. Oh, you put it down. Getting back out and everyone, putting away on their lives again. We wanted to do a little scene like inside of the nightclub. People dancing.
Yeah, I'm about to be in a commercial out here.
Oh, there we go.
commercial, y'all.
Yeah, I'm gonna be back on next week.
Get to be in a commercial. That's a good one. You a top notch bitch. Drink more in. Y'all, we in a commercial. This shit is wild. I'm having a good time. I had to give me a preacher towel, y'all. Hot. Ooh, chillax. Fucking hot. Woo. I'm lit. People buying me drinks. That's what we doing. My friend from Cook Class is turned, y'all. He got me in commercials drinking drinks, bitch. Ooh, bye.
I can't dance. No, love that you have a go though. Yeah, have a go.
Yeah, my classmate friend is so turned. He got little commercials and teams, you feel me? But I'm about to get some more drinks. I'll get with y'all later. Yo, this shit is wild. Look how big them lobsters are. Bruh. Are you kidding me? And they cook it right here. you. I love coconut. Yeah, my friend Jason got me out here doing wild things. He's a wild guy.
I'm a tame.
He's so quiet. Then he give me a spoon. Dude, I drink this like...
Yeah, no, they're good for you. It's good for you. And it's almost the same as water, but it's sweeter.
It's gone like 10 seconds. My friend Jason about to taste his prawns and that spicy sauce. How is it? It's fresh for sure. Yeah, my lobster's on the way. This thing is
Green lobster.
Here comes my lobster, y'all. Whoa. Y'all, what the hell?
Want to take that photo of the head?
Of course. Let me get the whole thing. Starts off falling apart. They put shrimp on top?
They pretty much just scrape the meat and then deep fry it.
Yeah. This thing is huge. I'm gonna get some context. I'll put my hand right here.
With the lobster mukbang.
Oh shit. Oh. This looks like shrimp. Mmm.
Comfort food is tasty. It's luxury.
Try it, it's so good. Dig in. Mmm.
I'll get the soy sauce. Yeah, I've got my iPhone. I leave it in the room. And that's pretty much just to use talk to my mother because we can just FaceTime each other.
Okay.
And there's no SIM card on this. I just linked it. Wi-Fi. This one I got roaming. So.
Oh yeah, I have Wi-Fi calling. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to a safe trip to PB Island. And I'm sure I'll see you again before we leave.
Yeah, definitely, of course.
Cheers.
I'll show you more. There's more things to show here. So.
Absolutely. Oh, it's sugar in here. No, thank you.
I'm allergic to roses. Then I
We're having a powwow.
apparently once you get it.
Every other solo traveler join the crew.
I think everyone needs to get it.
Of course, yeah.
That's in.
Yeah.
I have chicken pox.
So have my friend Jason and then have a new friend.
In the UK now, 150,000 cases a day.
We over here.
Yeah,
Because no one's dying.
yeah, with the new strain. Yeah, same as Australia.
Oh, well, everyone's getting it.
Talk about the bed.
My mum,
I can't relate.
She's been in close contact. She's got the booster and she's fine. She's fit as fiddle. But
The way I see it is, if everyone gets it,
There we go.
we open it. Our pipe goes in.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to go. I'm about to get on my motherfucking Power Ranger mobile. As soon as I find my key. Y'all, I'm convinced my hotel is just a club. Like, they have to be the club because ain't no way every night it's a party. Like, when I say every night, I've been here 5 nights at this point, and it's been a party every night. Like, where they do that at? I'm about to show you. I just got off my little bike, my little scooter boots. Hold on, I'm about to show y'all. It's my first time actually coming in, like, while the party has started. Let me show y'all this stuff. Like, this must be the spot because ain't no way. Hold on, I'm about to show y'all right now. don't know if y'all can see, but it's jumping. Do y'all see that? It is wild down there. Every night, it's a function. I'm convinced this is the club. I'm at where the club be at. So if you into partying, this is where you come. You come here because every night, and tonight is Wednesday. Bruh. I'm just saying. But yeah. So I'm back to my room. I had a really good time with my cooking class friend. He's super, super nice, y'all. He treated me out today. So I had that big lobster. He was trying to spend a little change or whatnot. So I had that big lobster. We had some squid, some big shrimp. And then we went and had drinks. And no, it's not like that. Like, he don't like me. He has a girlfriend. He has a girlfriend. And she actually lives in LA, which is funny. And he was like telling me all about her. And I was like, yes. I love when somebody like, you know, is super nice and treats you like out without any expectations. Like, he didn't want nothing from me, y'all, just my company. What did I get, escort? Is that what, no, yeah, no. Anyway, but we was chit-chatting. I had a really good time. He's so cool, man. Like, and I met him this morning in my cooking class. He was also in the class as well, because it's a small class. It was just me and him. And yeah, like, we hit it off. It was like super cool. He was on the same shuttle as me when I got picked up, because they pick you up. And we just was like vibing, connecting. We have a lot of interests that are similar. He's super cool. He showed me his girlfriend. She's really cute. I was like, okay, I see you. But he got money, so, cause I mean, I'm not saying like stuff is mad expensive, but that lobster tail was like 60 bucks, which is really good. Y'all see how big that shit was, and he paid for it. I was like, oh, like I just met you like 12 hours ago, bro. Like, that's wild, right? But yeah, you meet good people. We also met this other guy who lives, he's from England. That's the other guy I was chit-chatting with, and he's also a solo traveler. So he's here by himself as well. He's got here today. And yeah, we was just chit-chat, chopping it up, and I had a really good time. So he kept me out past my bedtime. You know, I'll be back in the room at 7 o'clock. It's like 11 o'clock right now, and I'm just getting here. Like, who I think I am, grown, huh? Sheesh. But yeah, so I'm about to, oh, God is good, y'all. I'm a freaking idiot. So I didn't have to cut this, but this dress is broke. My dryer be fucking my dresses up, y'all. So this shit was like on some ghetto shit anyway, but I'm gonna actually fix it when I get back to the crib, cause this shit is done for. It's done for, son. Yeah, I'll make it just one. Matter of fact, I'm gonna cut this shit off right now. What Brent Fayez say, don't waste no time. Bam. That shit was nigga rig. I had to tighten it out, y'all. The ghetto shit I be doing. But yeah, so I had a really good time today. Went to the beach. I was in my scooter zipping in my Power Ranger vehicle. Niggas, you feel me? Go-go Power Ranger looking ass. Yeah, I was dipping in these Phuket streets. You feel me? These Thailand streets. But I had a really good time at the market. That was so dope. I didn't even expect that. I didn't know that was going on. He was telling me about it. So I thought that was really, really cool. I enjoyed myself a lot. And yeah, I'll probably be back there tomorrow, honestly. And the day after that. And the day after that, probably. I don't know. But yeah, it was nice. It was a vibe. Oh, and I got a cord for my radio. Because I brought my speaker. Y'all, I could have swore I packed a cord to charge this. I know I did, but long story short, I can't find it. So while I was at the little street fair, I bought a cord. This guy, I bought it for like 40 baht, which is like $1.25. I'm like, aren't you amazing? And he's like, yeah. He's like, here you go. So I'm back on my tunes. Yeah. But anyway, I'm about to take a shower. Y'all know at this point, y'all know the routine. I'm gonna take my ass to bed, take a shower, unwind, and probably edit a video since I'm gonna just be chilling. I have to go take my second COVID test tomorrow, and my appointment's at 11:30. So tomorrow I'll be doing that, and then after that I might go do elephant feeding. See what that be like. Take some cute pics and whatnot. But y'all, listen, why I brought my empty foundation and concealer, y'all, I've been struggling putting my makeup on because there's nothing in here. And not only is there nothing in there, y'all, like, I got like 8 more days here. Like, what? Y'all, there is nothing in here. I've been scraping the sides. Like, I want to break this shit in half. Like, break this shit in half and be scrubbing product out of here. Same for this. Like, yeah, I don't know how many more days I'll be able to be cute here because I don't have a foundation. And ain't nobody else here my color. I know they ain't got no NW45 within this bitch. Actually, 42. But I'm a wreck. Like, I really thought I was prepared. Like, and I'm just finding out more and more that I really wasn't. Yeah, I really wasn't prepared. But anyway, I want to lay it out. I'm tired. I'm actually really tired right now. And it's like 11:20. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this day. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day 6. And as always, if it's your first time here, I want to welcome you. If it is not, we want to welcome you back, or I want to welcome you back, because you know we love it here. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, I'm gonna see you in my next video.